Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss brief facts about Beijing. Beijing, which is alternatively romanized as Peking, is the capital of People's Republic of China. It is the world's most populous national capital with over 21 million residents within an administrative area of about 6,500 square miles. It is located in northern China and is governed as a municipality under the direct administration of State Council with 16 urban, suburban and rural districts. Beijing's history is about 3,000 years old. It's about as old as London, 6 times older than New York and 10 times older than Sydney. Beijing currently has 3 airports with a 4th being planned. The new 144-hour visa-free transit policy makes the city a more convenient travel destination. It allows travelers from 53 countries to enjoy a 6-day trip in Beijing without any visa. Beijing has been the capital of 6 notable Chinese governments. China has been ruled from Beijing over 700 years, which is why there are so many historical places to explore. In October 1st, 1949, Beijing became the 6th-time capital of People's Republic of China. Before it was the capital in Warring State period to Republic of China. Before settling on the name Beijing in 1403, the city had a series of names like Jichang, Yanjing, Nanjing, Zhongdu, Dadu. Beijing was the 16th name given to the city. One of the biggest sites in the city is the Olympic Park, built for the Summer Olympics in 2008. China's National Stadium and National Aquatic Center are the outstanding engineering marvels. The city is currently preparing to host the Winter Olympics in 2022, with large investments in its skiing and winter sports resorts. If you have only ever heard about Beijing's pollution on the news, you might be concerned about the air. However, the city has plenty of great air days, and the situation has improved a lot even in the last few years. In fact, breathing Beijing's air for the 6 every day is equivalent to smoking just one cigarette, which is not bad for a large developing world city. Like Amsterdam, Beijing is big on bikes. Despite motor vehicles extremely popular in the city, there is nothing quite like bicycle for your morning commute. There is a huge amount of Beijing real estate dedicated to the bicycle parking, so you don't need to worry about where to park your bike when you're getting around the capital. According to the recent census, the most popular surname in Beijing is Wang, with an impressive 11% holding the name. To put that in perspective, the most common surname in London is Smith at 0.47% of the population, and the most common surname in Tokyo is Suzuki, a name which accounts for 13% of the entire Japanese population. If drivers stuck in traffic jam in Beijing can call someone to come to them on motorbike. The driver then hoops on the bike while the delivery man waits out the jam and delivers the car to the destination when traffic clears. The Beijing Weather Modification Office is tasked with creating rain to end the drought, reduce dust storm and prevent unwanted rains. And that between 1995 and 2003, China added 7.4 trillion cubic feet of rainfall artificially. Beijing has about 1.15 million surveillance cameras. In Beijing, some tourist sites are using facial recognition to restrict the amount of toilet paper that each person can take. Beijing is sinking at the rate of 4 inches per year due to the overuse of groundwater for drinking by its massive population. The Temple of Heaven, which was built in 1420, is considered Beijing's holiest imperial temple. Emperor Zhu Di had ordered its construction. Every year at winter solstice, the emperor would go to the temple to pray for a good harvest. The Beijing Zoo is the biggest zoo in China and includes an aquarium. It was originally a royal garden called Wanxing Garden, which means garden of 10,000 animals. About 370 miles of the Great Wall is located in Beijing, mainly in the suburban areas. A lot of the wall built near the Beijing was considered during the Ming Dynasty. Beijing has the largest and busiest metro system in the world. The first section of Lane 1 was opened in 1969 and the 2-lane was completed in 2002. Since then, Beijing's metro never stopped growing. Being some 700 kilometers long, it is the longest in entire world. The mother of all traffic jams was created in China on August 14, 2010. It lasted 12 days with a huge car panorama that stretched for more than 100 kilometers. Many drivers were able to move their vehicles only 1 kilometer per day, and some drivers reportedly being stuck in traffic jam for 5 days.